Family members of 4 people killed in Westchester fighting for justice more than 7,000 miles away.
Yeah, meanwhile, here at home, the suspect, Gurpreet Singh, back in a Butler County courtroom as he gets ready for his retrial. WLWT News 5's Karen Johnson covered the first one, and here she goes again, live outside the courthouse with more. Hi, Karen.
Hey, Mike, that's right. Gurpreet Singh's second trial is set to begin 1 week from today. You may remember his first trial ended with a hung jury. Well, the victim's family members, many of whom are spread out across the country and even the world, continue to have their voices heard.
In Punjab, India, they came together in prayer. Afterwards, family members stood in unity, holding signs that read, "We want justice," and photos of 4 family members murdered 5 years ago. Shalinderjit Kaur, her parents Hakikat Singh Panag and Parmajit Kaur, and Parmajit's aunt Amarjit Kaur were all shot to death inside their Westchester apartment. I want to say this, that whoever did this work should not go free. I want justice to be crystal clear, one relative said. Shalinderjit's husband, Gurpreet Singh, is accused of murdering all 4 victims. Today in court, final pre-trial arguments. Similar to the first time around, prosecutors asked the judge to admit background evidence, such as an affair they say Singh was having with a woman from Indiana. Defense attorneys fought against it.
The court agreed with us that evidence that the defendant was having a long-standing affair at the time of the murders was also highly probative of motive and the element of prior calculation and design.
Testimony from Ms. Kaur at trial demonstrated that this was not something that was at the time enough to suggest that that would have spurred the homicides, as the state is going to argue that it would.
Prosecutors also want to present evidence there was a hostile relationship between Singh and his father-in-law.
It was about a money dispute between Mr. Singh and one of the victims in this case. That was it. There is no increasing hostility or increasing threats of violence.
And after hearing arguments from both sides, Judge Greg Howard ruled in the prosecutor's favor. For this retrial, which starts on Monday, it will be a bench trial, meaning 3 judges, because this is a capital case, 3 judges will hear the case. Reporting live tonight in Hamilton, Karen Johnson, WLWT News 5.